Good evening, students. You are on Ruchichi English, and today we will talk about rain. After first rain, the smell of wet soil, that earthy fragrance, that is called petrichor. When it's raining outside and it is light raining outside, then we can call it's drizzling outside. When rain goes heavier outside, then we can call it's pouring outside. And then if rain goes really heavier, then we can call it's cats and dog. So you can see that we can call not only it's raining, we can call it's drizzling, it's pouring, it's cats and dogs. So it is the vocabulary of rain, and stay tuned for more these kind of video. Bye.